The fact I'm here and advocating Britishvolt for women is a big thing, because I wouldn't be here if I didn't believe Britishvolt cared about women, not just women, but diversity. They care about people with disabilities, they care about people of different colours.
So I've worked in construction as well, so very male-dominated environments, and after years and years of being in those environments, you build a wall, you go in and you expect to be treated in a certain way. That's not the case at Britishvolt. It doesn't matter what type of person I am, if I have a family, if I've got 4 dogs, 10 kids, it really doesn't matter. It's the first company I've ever worked for that I'm merited as a person.
I'm one of the first few women who joined here. The journey has been absolutely incredible because I've never seen myself this way. I feel like a woman of strength and courage and power, and I've completely accepted myself professionally and personally, and it's all because of Britishvolt.
I think when you join Britishvolt, your work speaks for itself, whether you're man, woman. If you deliver, if you're driven, if you've got talent, that's what shines through. That's what we see.
There are no limits. If anyone have experienced any limitations, any dominations, any concerns about just because they're women, I don't think they will feel that at all in Britishvolt.
We also need to be courageous and hold those kind of conversations. Start telling the stories of our people. Everybody forgets that they have the most powerful story inside themselves.
Working in a corporate world, you see fewer women, but with Britishvolt, you tend to see a good representative of women, which is quite inspiring.
I'm the first Indian to join Britishvolt, and I'm so proud of it, and I will always carry this journey with me. There is no difference. No one sees you like that. No one sees me like that. There's always no one has ever come and told me you're a woman. Never. Not one day.
We as a business value women, value gender balance hugely, that we're working hard to create a progressive gender environment, that we are learning, that we will improve, and that we welcome in particular applications for all roles from women.
Yes, then there's going to be some unconscious bias. You get that everywhere. But the difference with Britishvolt is we're having a conversation about it. So I think just the fact that we're making this video is a testament to us trying to break down those barriers and encourage that conversation.
All of that is so important to us. We need to be able to put that under the microscope on everything we do and say, could we have done that better? Could we have made this even better? Because again, that wider aspect, that wider lens is what will allow us to be able to achieve that. And that's why, to me, it's so important.
I am a white, middle-aged, North European, Anglo-Saxon male. And as hard as I fight against that, that frames how I perceive the world. That frames how I make decisions. And for me, it's imperative, and for Britishvolt it's imperative, that we have as many different perspectives, varying from my own and the rest of the team, on those decision-making, and women at the forefront of that.
International Women's Day for Britishvolt is fundamental to who we are and what we do. Inclusivity, diversity, it's not something we do, it's something we are.
And from day one, from moment one, that I knew that I can be who I am, and I don't need to hide behind masks or pretend to be somebody, or talk differently or act differently, and that's where the power is. I think you need to allow people who they are, celebrate their backgrounds, and when you combine that with the person's experience, competency, capability, career ambitions, what they're trying to achieve in this life, there is nothing more powerful than that.
Women who are thinking to get a job with Britishvolt shouldn't think another time. They just should go ahead.
I don't go anywhere just for the job. For me, I need to make a difference to be happy. I'm happy at Britishvolt because we're doing something that I truly believe in, and we're actually making a difference.